Aloe vera is the principal ingredient in all of our personal care products. And as long as people can get an understanding of how the aloe vera works, and then it takes all of the other nutrients down to where it's needed. So it gives you like a healthy scalp, healthy skin, etc. And there's one little ingredient, it's called the lignin, which is a natural part of the aloe. Very, very small structure. And it enables things to go down to the deeper tissues to give treatment and to give regenerative sort of nutrients to the tissue that needs protection.
The tooth gel is a wonderful product. It's one I use every day. It's a combination of aloe vera gel and bee propolis, which is the natural antibiotic from the beehive. So it's a wonderful cleanser, but cleansing without too much abrasion.
About 6 years ago, I was really suffering a lot with inflammation of the gums, bleeding gums, mouth ulcers, and actually my mum had actually had gum disease, gingivitis, and lost all of her teeth to that. So I was, really worried that I was going the same way. And then I discovered the aloe vera tooth gel, and within a few months of actually using that, the inflammation went away. It was very soothing. My mouth ulcers completely disappeared. No more bleeding gums, which was fantastic. And actually, it halved the amount of times I had to go to the hygienist.
Our 6-year-old boy, it was an absolutely endless battle trying to get him to brush his teeth in the mornings. Bribes, shouting at him. He just wouldn't brush his teeth. 20 minutes take us every morning. Since using the tooth gel, he's in, he loves the taste, and it's no longer a battle.
I had an operation about a month ago on a root canal that had gone wrong, and they had to cut in the side of the gum and put in 2 stitches. Using the tooth gel every day, it just went back to its normal pink and nice, healthy appearance.
I got to an age where my gums had started to shrink, and before I'd started using the tooth gel, I was suffering from shrinking gums and plaque on my teeth. It's been quite remarkable. I've had no gum problems since I started using the tooth gel.
I think the most amazing thing is about the tooth gel that I've found a product that's actually got no fluoride in, that won't do any harm to my 10-year-old daughter, and it's also got no sugar in as well. I'm really pleased with that.
I love cleaning my teeth with Forever Tooth Gel.
The great thing about liquid soap, because it's a non-irritant, it's amazing because you can use it as much as you want to on a daily basis, in the morning, during the day and in the evening. It's non-drying, so it's great as well as being moisturising and normalising the skin's natural pH. It's also great for men for shaving. That's because aloe vera contains natural saponins, and because of the natural saponins it has a natural foaming ability, so you can get a really close shave. On top of that, it's very, very soothing as well, especially for men that may get some small skin irritations.
Since I started using the soap to shave with, my skin has improved considerably, not just in terms of the shaving rash, but in my whole face, because I also use it to wash with. In fact, I use it for my whole body to wash with in the shower. But it's made a particular difference to my skin because it doesn't just clean, it also moisturises at the same time. So it does 2 jobs at once. And as we know, men are particularly loath to use more than a few products, and the fact that you can get those benefits just from one product, I think is fantastic.
I love the aloe liquid soap. I use it obviously for washing for my face and hands, and when I'm in the shower. I've used it for washing my hair, especially if I've gone away and I've forgotten my shampoo. I've used it for removing makeup. I've even used it for removing stains on my clothes. So I just think it's a great all-round product.
I love the soap. It's my shower gel, it's my face wash, it's my hand wash, it's everything.
I've used it for 18 years. My whole family has used it. Every single person can use it. Very effective also for people that have to wash their hands all the time. Maybe they're in an industry like the medical industry or the food industry where washing with normal soap can cause your skin to become dry and cracked. If you use the liquid soap to wash with, it's brilliant. Your skin remains lovely and soft.
People that can benefit from the aloe liquid soap, especially gardeners, because it's very tough for getting dirt and grime out of the hands, but it's very gentle as well, and also maybe mechanics and builders, because the great thing about it, it's going to moisturise the skin and it's not going to strip the skin from its natural oils.
Our Evershield deodorant is very effective. It's very, very kind on the skin. Aloe vera is the principal ingredient. You don't get any staining with your clothes as you do with so many of the products, and that's due to the aluminium salts, which we also know is a chemical, and we don't have that in our product. Aluminium salts are found in most of the sort of leading antiperspirants on the market today. I'm very pleased to say that our Aloe Evershield does not contain the harmful aluminium salts, but is still an amazingly effective product.
I started using the Evershield deodorant after having breast cancer, and the staff at the hospital advised us that we should use an aluminium-free deodorant, and all the reasons why. And so I was very pleased when I found Forever, because I had used a couple of others which I didn't really like. But I love the Forever one. It's a fantastic deodorant, it works.
The Evershield deodorant has been an absolutely life-changing product for me. I've never been able to use anything in my armpits up until using this product. I have a skin condition where through sweat and my glands they swell, I get irritation and soreness. And in the summer months I can't even wear that much clothing, I have to keep my arms in the air like this. And this product is absolutely brilliant. I get no reaction with it, there's no body odour, it's phenomenal. I absolutely love this product.
I decided to start using the Forever Aloe Evershield, which is not an antiperspirant, and I was a bit worried about that to start with. But actually, even though I'm a very sweaty person, using the deodorant I found is fantastic because it has a great smell, it goes on really easily, and I've just been completely satisfied with it for the last 18 years. I use it before I do business meetings, I use it every single day if I'm doing sport, anything like that. I've also recommended it now to my kids, and they're all teenagers now, and of course teenagers are very sensitive about the way they smell, but they use it as well and they're very, very satisfied with it.
The Aloe Evershield lasts for ages and ages and ages. I mean, probably 3 to 6 months people have had the product for. So it's just fantastic value for money.